Good afternoon, girls. Till yesterday we have discussed up to problem number 6. Now let us see how the problem number 7, 6 and 7 will be solved. So coming to this particular problem, in this problem number 6, he has given you the equity share capital and preference 10% cumulative preference share capital of 2 lakhs and 50,000 each, and coming to 8% debentures, trade creditors for expenses. And coming to the asset side, you have buildings, machinery, patents, inventories, debtors, preliminary expenses. Now let us see how the company wants to restructure its financial business. Coming to the first point is, with a view to reconstruct, the company proposed to reduce equity shares by rupees 9 each. The litigation here, girls, actually the face value of the equity shares is rupees 10 each, fully paid up. So here the point is, of equity shares which is of value 10 each, the company reduced by 9 each, means the face value of the share was remained at rupee 1. So this is the point you are supposed to keep it in mind. And next, 10% preference shares by rupees 40 each. Actually the value of preference shares is rupees 100 each. So it has decided to reduce by rupees 40, means they are supposed to collect from each preference share of rupees 60. Coming to 8% debentures by 10% reduced, sundry creditors claims by 1/3, and machinery to 70,000, stock, that is inventory, to 10,000. Provide 15,000 for bad debts, write off intangible assets, raise the rate of preference dividend. Actually the preference dividends are at 13%. So he asked you to increase the rate of interest from existing 13% to 13.5%. Now let us see how the journal entries will be appearing in the books as far as the problem is concerned. Now here you see the problem, girls. This is nothing but equity share capital account debtor. Earlier you were given in the problem that face value of the each equity share is rupees 10, that is up to 2 lakhs. Now you just see here, to equity share capital account rupees 1, means he asked you to reduce by rupees 9. So here you can observe that the problem here asked to reduce the equity shares by rupees 9 each, means you can reduce by 9 each, means the existing, after reconstruction, the face value of each equity share is rupees 1. 20,000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 1 means 20,000, and capital reduction means after reconstruction the decided capital reduction is 1,80,000, means 20,000 shares into rupees 9 each. So this is nothing but being 20,000 equity shares reduced by rupees 9. Next one, the second entry will be 10% preference share capital account debtor, which is 50,000 given in the problem. So they asked you to reduce the 13 preference share capital by rupees 40 each. So each he asked you to reduce by rupees 40, means he is collecting from rupees 60. So the new share capital after capital reduction is 13% preference share capital at the rate of rupees 60. So that comes to 5,000 into 60, that comes to 30,000, and capital reduction from preference capital is rupees 20, that is 20,000, means at the rate of rupees 40 each. Now what did he say further is 8% debentures account debtor 1 lakh. What he said about debentures is nothing but 8% debentures will be reduced by 10%. So this 8% debentures account debtor to 13.5 debentures which are issued fresh at 10% reduction. 1 lakh into 10% means that comes to rupees 90,000, and capital reduction means in the reduction in debentures is nothing but rupees 10,000, 10%. Next one, he asked to take trade creditors claims by 1/3, means what is the existing amount of creditors over here in the problem is 3,30,000. Out of 3,30,000, he asked you to take back trade creditors. I told you at the time when I was taking theory that reconstruction is nothing but maybe reducing creditors, maybe asking from the debtors, like internal financial restructuring. So that's the reason here, as the creditors is 3,30,000, he was given relaxation up to 1/3. So trade creditors account debtor 1/3 of 3,30,000, that comes to rupees 1,10,000. To capital reduction account rupees 1,10,000, being creditors reduced by 1/3. Now, this is time for us that here you have seen capital reduction, credit 1,80,000, credit 20,000, so credit 2 lakhs. Next one, credit 2,10,000, next credit 1,10,000, means 2,10,000 plus 1,10,000. So, all this is nothing but capital reduction account debtor. What is the amount which is left with means you make a total, girls. 1,80,000 plus 20,000, 2 lakhs, 2,10,000, 2,10,000 plus 1,10,000. That is capital reduction account debtor 3,20,000 you have in your capital reduction account. So this 3,20,000, how this can be used? What is the way to use this funds? Means he has given over here. So how to use machinery to be valued at 70,000, inventory to be reduced. Here you just see, girls, machinery to 70,000 and inventory by 10,000. Don't get confused with these two prepositions, uses of prepositions. Next one, provide 15,000 for bad debts, intangible assets to be written off, and everything, means all these adjustments should be done out of this 3,20,000. So in the problem, preliminary expenses are there. Preliminary expenses are long-term liability which is to be written off over a period of time. So that is 10,000. Profit and loss account given in the problem, that is 1,85,000. So that is 1,85,000. Patents, machinery he asked to maintain at 70,000. So 60,000 should be written off. Next, investments by. That is the reason I have taken investments at 10,000 and machinery 70,000, means actually 1,30,000 is there. He is asked us to reduce to 70,000, means we are supposed to write off 60,000. So, and the last one is provision for doubtful debts. What is the provision amount we are supposed to means 15,000 he straight away asked you to maintain. That I have shown over here. So with this we have completed the part of journal entries. Coming to the balance sheet after reconstruction, here it was equity share capital. Share capital is of two types. One is preference share capital and equity share capital. Equity share capital is 20,000 at the rate of ₹1 each. That comes to 20,000, and 13% preference shares are nothing but 5,000 equity shares of ₹60 each. These two figures which are there given, 20,000 equity shares and 10% preference shares of ₹100 each. Here 50,000 means 500 equity shares are there, preference shares are there. So 500 into 60, that means 500 preference shares into 60 each, that comes to 30,000. Total capital constitutes ₹50,000. 13.5 debentures, actually 8% debentures 1 lakh. He asked us to take 10% less and increase the rate of interest to 13.5%. That's the reason. That comes to 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000. Trade creditors actually is 3,30,000, out of which 1/3 he asked us to deduct. So we have written off 1/3. So now the existing creditors after reconstruction is 2,20,000 only. Next, creditors for expenses which is there as it is in the balance sheet, posted 20,000. Next, coming to fixed asset side, buildings as it is 2 lakhs. Machinery he asked us to maintain at 70,000, so that is there 70,000. Stock he has asked us to maintain 10,000, that is there. Actually debtors in the balance sheet is given 55,000 and he asked to deduct provision of 15,000, that is 40,000. So your balance sheet after reconstruction total is 3,80,000. This is problem number 6, girls.